Right, students, good morning. So the students who are in the online, am I audible? Please confirm it quickly. Okay. So let us move. Yes, Ma Pooja. Thank you, Ma. Wish you the same for all of you. Happy Mahashivratri to all of you. Okay. Kabir, thank you. Uma, thank you, Ma. Ritesh, thank you. Wish you the same for all of you. Let us coming to the Soumya. Chaitanya, thank you. Wish you the same. So let us move to the further discussion. So last class, we have completed already the scenario called what? Flow control statements in Python. Flow control statements in Python. Okay. So under that, I was given it. Importance of flow control statements. I just gave you the most important statement. Flow control statements importance, how they operates, and how many types are there. And we started the first one that is called conditional or selection statements. Conditional or what? Selection statements. I already started with it. Okay. So there I told you the purpose of conditional or selection is that to perform certain operation only once depends on condition evaluation. Okay. So in other words, certain operation X when performed when condition is true, or perform some Y operation when condition is false only once. And there are four types of operations are there. Four types of conditional statements are there under where branching statements. The first part is completed yesterday. Did you remember yesterday? Yeah. So that is a part we have done it. And it is not one day topic. It is a continuous topic throughout our entire course of Python. Okay. So there I discussed already this type of concept. This type of concept, my dear students, already explained. Simple if statement, syntax explained, explanation I gave, and then flowchart I gave. And I have an important doubt related to indentation. Do you know that? Are you perfect in indentation? What is the indentation symbol? Colon. How many spaces to be given for indentation block? 4. Every indentation symbol must be immediately followed by what? Indentation block. Every indentation symbol followed by what? Indentation block. Understand? Right. How many spaces for indentation block, students? 4 spaces to be given. Or we press one tab. Don't press space bars. You press what? Tab to come to the indentation. To come out of the indentation, you press what? Backspace. These are the 2 keys you use it. You can do the programming very well. Shall we move to next one, ma? Yeah. Let us go to the next discussion. I want to go for it. Next discussion I want to go for it. That is if else statement I want to talk about it. Second part is called if else statement. My dear students, let us go to the if else statement I am going to discuss. As usual, same concept, ma. Same concept I am going to explain. Right? So if else statement I am going to explain in the class. Look at students. Now this if else statement, syntax I will write it, explanation I will write it, as well as flowchart also I will write it. Explanation I will write it, flowchart I will write it, everything I will take care of this. If else statement I am going to explain. So let us start with the if else statement explanation I am going to give you. Very, very simple. Come on, students. Now I am going to write the syntax. Shall we write the syntax? Yeah, look at that. So, and don't ask me, sir, what is the difference between if and if else? If you ask me, sir, take one problem, solve that problem with if, I can do it. With if else also I can do it. Because we are not in academic division to tell you the difference between if, else, like that. Here else is there else is not there. That type of differences, if anybody gives, that is academically we may be written, that is we don't want to bother about it. You give me a problem, that problem I can do it with a simple if statement. I can do with what also? If else statement also I can do it. Okay, that means problem solving approaches you learn it. Am I correct? So there are different syntaxes are there to do different type of things. My advice, that is industry advice, whichever you are comfortable, you use it. I am saying this is a PSF note also. I am saying to you, whichever you are comfortable, use it. And in the continuous discussion, definitely will get one theme. If statement I will go in this situation, if else I will go in this situation, if else I will go in other situation, like that you will get definitely one type of realization will come. So that realization in the beginning only I don't want to tell, because you will experience it in the class. Okay students, shall we move forward? Yeah, coming to the syntax I am going to discuss, my dear students. Just observe it. What is if, ma? What is if? Keyword. Already told you yesterday. Keyword it is. Now I am writing here, as usual, test condition I am going to say. Test condition I am going to say, colon, indentation I am writing. What is the symbol, please? Colon is known as what? Indentation symbol. Every indentation symbol definitely how to write what? Indentation block of statements. Say once. Indentation block of statement. Every indentation symbol definitely follows with what? Indentation block. Indentation block. Students, everybody, every indentation symbol must be followed by indentation block. If I don't write indentation block, you will get error. That means every indentation symbol, definitely indentation block is required, otherwise you will get the error. Okay, I will show you that also. Dear students, look at that. I will write it. After that, I am saying if, parallel to if I am writing one line. For your better knowledge, I am writing this. What I am writing there, dear students, follow me. Here I am writing. Some spaces you will be writing. Some spaces you will write. This is I am writing statement 1. Statement 1 I am writing. Like that I am writing statement 2. Like this I am writing statement 2. Statement 2. Okay. Right. Statement 2. Like this I am writing how many statements? N number of statements I am writing. N number of statements I am writing. So N number of statements I am writing. So finally I am saying that statement N. Of course, I don't want to write a daily. Of course, because you are in the first day of this statement N. This symbol is called what? Today also I am writing this. It is known as what, ma? Indentation symbol. This symbol is known as what? Indentation symbol. So I'm going to write it. I'm going to write it. Indentation symbol. For 1 or 2 days I will mention this. Indentation symbol. Indentation symbol. And next I will write it. This is known as what block? Indentation block. Very good. Indentation block. Every indentation symbol must be followed by what? Indentation block. Indentation block I am writing it. Indentation block I am writing. Right. Fine. Dear students, once you write if test condition is true, test condition is true, I will write what? Block of statements will execute. Once test condition is false, it will execute what? Other statements in the program or not? Now today we are getting an extra one, you are getting it. That is nothing but else. See that else is also parallel to if statement only. Parallel to if statement only. What I am doing now, you see, I am writing indentation block 1. Indentation block 1. Else block is coming. Indentation block 1 I am saying. Okay. Now I am going to take it. Else. Under else also, what I will have? Other block of statements also I will write it. It is an indentation block 1. Indentation block 2 will come. So I am writing here for your understanding purpose. I will write it. Indentation block 2 will come. See that else part is also there. There I am writing here. Also I am writing statement. Here I am writing statement. Here I am writing some some other statements I am writing. Some statement 2 some statement 2 I am writing. Statement 2 right? Fine. Statement 2 I am just writing some sort of this messages. Okay. Now I am writing like that. N number of statements I am writing. N number of statements I am writing. So here I am writing statement NN. Statement NN. This is comes under what, ma? Indentation block of statement 2. I am just writing here. Indentation block of statement 2 I am taking. So copy this process. Now I am saying this line I am writing it. Indentation block 2 I am saying. Indentation block 2. I am saying that indentation block 2. How this execution process, students? Now start the execution. You will easily understand this, not a difficult. Come on, my dear students. If test condition 1 is true, if test condition 1 is true, execute what? Indentation block of statement 1. How many times? One time. And come out of it and execute what? Other statements in the program. If test condition is a false, what will happen? If test condition is a false, what will happen? Execute what? Indentation block of statement 2 and execute what? Other statements in the program. So I am writing there. I will continue that and I am writing here other statements in the program. Here I am writing, my dear students, other statements in program. Other statements in program I am just going to say. Other statement in the program I am going to say. Here I am writing other statement in the program. Dear students, try to understand parallel to this statement I am going to say. Parallel to this line I am going to say. Other statement in the program I am going to say. So this is called the explanation which I am trying to give you the clarity here. Other statement in the program. All of them you see same line. And it doesn't mean that lines are there in the program. You need to maintain this type of indentation. Even a small space you are misplacing, you will get lot of errors. So that type of errors you should not get it first of all. Understand, students? Now, can I write one type of flow chart here? Can I write the flow chart? Tell me, what is my flow chart here? I will write it here. Flow chart for, come on, flow chart for, I'm writing if, and next is what? Else statement. Flow chart for if else statement I am going to say. Flow chart for if else statement I am going to give you the clarity here. Flow chart for if else statement. Tell me, what is this first of all? Entry. I am going to say entry. You can easily understand. And so I will say this is called what? One entry. Okay. What happens? So I take it something like this. Oh, line is different. Okay. I selected wrong thing. Okay. So I'm going to take it entry. Now I will take it as this condition. Once this is true, what will happen? There is a block of state indentation block of statements 1. Execute indentation block of statements 1. Execute another indentation block of statements. See, students, execute another indentation block of statements. I am taking execute another indentation block of statements. Fine. Execute indentation block of statements. Fine. After that, it is going to execute what? Other statements in the program. Okay, dear students, try to get it. In the case of true, right? And in the case of other statement, this is called in the case of what, false, executing other statements in the program. And this is going to be executing something else. Let me write it, my dear students, here. Test condition. Test condition. Here I am writing test condition colon. I say here true. I say true. And next is called false. False. Here I am writing execute what? Indentation block of indentation, block of, indentation, block of, I say indentation, block of statements, indentation block of statements. Okay, 1 minute, ma. Indentation block of, I will take it, execute indentation block of statements 2, 1 or 2 now? 1, indentation block of statements 1. Okay, if you feel something like more congested, just for a minute, ma, because I took it as a less space here. Indentation block of statements 1. Block of statements 1, I can say. This is called 1. 1. Now I will take the same thing. Indentation block of statements 2. I'll just copy the same thing. I will take it as, or why to take that? Execute. I will take it. Execute. Which one? Indentation block of statement. Indentation block of statements 2. This is called that. And I will write last term, execute what statements? Other statements in program. Other statements in program. This is the flow of your program. This is a flow of our flow chart. I hope that without any further explanation, you understand the meaning of what? This simple if-else statement. Okay. If at all you need the concept of it, I can write it in the next PowerPoint presentation. Next PPT, I will write it. Look at that concept explanation. I will write it. What is an explanation? Explanation, because first the concept must be so clear. Then only you can understand. Explanation, what is that? Explanation of, if you want, I will write it. Explanation of, what is this? If-else statement. If-else statement. Explanation of if-else statement. I'm just taking this time. Okay, right. Let us start with what is happening here? What is the explanation I'm giving here? What is this? If and what? And what else are the keywords? If and else are the keywords. Come on. If the test condition is what? True. Then PVM executes indentation block of statements 1. Indentation block of statements 1, and later executes other statements in the program. Other statements in program in the bracket without executing what? Indentation block of statements 2. Indentation block of statements 2. This is in the case of what, ma'am? This is in the case of what? Yes, in the case of condition is true. Am I correct? Condition is true. So, see students, I will take the same copy paste here. I will say here pasting. If the test condition is what? False. If the test condition is false, what will happen? Then PVM executes indentation block of statements 2. And later, what will execute? Other statements in the program without executing indentation block of statements. That's it. This is the scenario of if-else statement execution procedure. So at any point of time, either indentation block 1 or block 2 and executes what? Other statements in the program. Either block 1 or block 2. Any one of it. But in both the times, what is executing? Other statements in the program. So last statement I am writing, hence At any point of time, PVM executes either PVM executes, I say PVM executes either indentation block of statements 1, PVM executes either indentation block of statements 1 or what? Or indentation block of statements 2. Indentation block of statements 2. I can just write it. Or indentation block of statements 2. I will write it. And later, what is happening? Other statements in the program. Fine. So I'm going to say this line removing. Is it understandable? Hence, at any point of time, PVM executes either indentation block of statements 1 or indentation block of statements 2. And later, what is happening? Other statements in the program. This is the execution behavior of what? If else statement. Shall we write the code? Yeah. Students in the online, are you comfortable, students, with this explanation? I gave. And then we have the diagrammatic representation. All these things are more clear. Right, students? Write down. Right? Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept. Write a Python program which will accept a numerical number, which will accept a numerical number, and decide whether it is even or odd. Decide whether it is even or odd. Yeah. First of all, dear students, this is a very important things for you. These things are very important because the problem solving skills starts from now onwards. So the biggest asset of the student is to learn the coding standards. As on today, the total world is running behind of coding. So without coding, there is no real-time operations which will be done. And highest paid packages, if you want to get it, first you need to have the perfect coding. Without coding, nothing will happen. That's why you improve the coding. And coding is not a difficult. If you practice well and with more commitment, you will be getting perfection in the coding part. Okay. So let me go to that. Analyze your subject. Even or odd. What do you mean by even number? A number is taken, finding the remainder with 2. If it is equal to 0, I say what? Even. Otherwise, we can say odd. Can you explain me how to do it? Let us go to the program. Can I go to the program now? Yes, let us go to the edit plus, see that file and then new and then what? Others, and say what? Python. Now see guys, this program accepts a number and decides whether it is what is this? Whether it is right. So whether it is even or odd. Very good. Even or odd. So I'm taking the file name also, evenodd.py. Okay, students, please look into that. N is equal to, take your input please, int of what is this? Input of what is this, ma'am? Enter a number. Okay, I got a number. Yes, that number may be 11, that number may be 20, that number may be 31, that number may be 32. Okay. Now tell me, if it is 11, is it even or odd? Odd, because you know 11, I will take it divided by 2. 2 5 is 10 and it is going to get the remainder. So remainder is the most important for me. If I take it as a 20, of course you already know, just I am giving for my clarity purpose. 2 10 that is 20, remainder is called what? So everything is there on the basis of the remainder. Okay, students, tell me if n percentage 2, how do you find the remainder? Modulo division operator we will apply. Already operators are completed. Is equal to what? 0. Is equal to 0. Okay. Then see students, n percentage 2 double equal to 0. What will happen? I can say straightforward. Is what ma? Even. Is even. Dot format of n. See students, else. What is my number please? 11. 11 percentage 2 is going to substitute what there? 1. 1 double equal to 0 is called what? False. False means coming to which part? What I will do, odd or not? I say, suppose if it is a 20 percentage 2 is called what? 0. 0 double equal to 0 is true. 20 is what? Even. So I am saying there, what is this statement is called? Is what? Odd. Dot format of what? N. And if you, for your understanding purpose, just I will write it. Program execution completed. Understand? Just for writing statement X, just for showing you that statement X. Okay, let us save this one, execute it, go to your location please. I say 9 a.m. Go to conditional statements. I do lot of logics there. Out of that, go to your place. Command prompt, you please go. I say this, E colon, say caviar, Python 9 a.m. There I am saying CD. I am going to give you the clarity on what? Conditional statements, say py, this is my file name. Enter a number, say something like 11 is called what? 11 is odd. Indentation block of statements to 2 and program execution completed. Say something like 20 is even. Indentation block of statements 1 and then what? Program execution is completed. At any point of time, either indentation block of 1 is executing or 2 is executing, and all the times what is completed? Statement X is, other statements in the program will execute. Now I will enter something like 23. 23 is called what? Odd. Now here I am writing something like 37 is odd. Something like I will enter 3, 2, 30, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 last. It is definitely called what? Even. Are you able to understand me guys? Right. So easily you can write the coding. Only thing is you need to have the interpretation skills, understand the question and then do it. Shall we write down one more? Write a Python program. Next, please. Students in the online, is this code is clear? Fine. Write down. Next. Write a Python program which will accept. Write a Python program which will accept a numerical integer value, and which will accept a numerical integer value and decides whether it is positive or negative or 0. Yesterday I taught, but today we do with if else, positive or negative or 0. Yeah, important. See students how to write it. Now, come on students, now I am going to say, I will take this commenting line. I say this line, I am saying that Python here. Now I am going to say this program accepts a number and decides whether it is positive, whether it is positive or what ma? Negative or 0. This is what I am going to take it. This is what we are going to look into it. Okay. So n is equal to int of, all of you please understand, don't buttify the programming. It is my advice. Enter a number. Enter a number. Okay. I got the number. How many decisions I have? 3 decisions I have. Now, first decision, please. If yesterday I taught you with only simple if I said. Okay. Okay. If what is my first decision you want to take? Greater than 0, or you want to take double equal to 0, no problem. Any decision you take it. Okay. If it is this indentation, suppose I did not write indentation block, I will save my program. You see, my dear students, I say positive, negative, 0, 0 dot py. Positive, negative, 0 dot py. Save this code. Save this code. Go to the location of yours. Then 9 AM. Conditional statements. You say, okay, some example is already there. Huh? Okay. So I will take it as what you know, 1.py. 1.py. Okay. You see this come out of that. Now you see py positive, negative, 0, 1.py. Immediately error is coming. See that error? What is this, ma'am? Indentation error. Unexpected indented block after if statement, line number 4. What is meant by that? Unexpected. An indentation block. Intended block is expected. Line number 4, you are using indentation symbol. You did not write what? Yes. Indentation block. Right. Fine, student. Now I need to write indentation block. Write down now. What is that? What should I say? Come on, all of you. Is what? 0. Is 0. Dot format of, come on, ma? N. Very good. Okay, sir. One condition, one decision is over. How many decisions left out? 2 decisions. 2 decisions means will you write in the same place? No. I will take the backspace. I'm going to second decision. What should I write? If decision 1 is becoming fail, I will go to else na. Else means second decision. Okay, sir. Else. Under else, what should I do? Under else, how many decisions are there? 2. How do you take the decision now? If. In else, I will write what? Previously, you have seen that even and odd. One decision is over. Only one decision left out. Definitely I will write the left out decision in else part. But here when it comes to else, how many decisions are there? 2 decisions are there. Definitely I will write what? If else I will write it. If, come on, ma, n greater than what? 0. See, under else, I am writing if. Say please, print of, what is this? Is positive. Is positive. Okay. Very good. Format of what? N. Understand? Else. See, if else. See the line of indentation, ma. In this, I will write what? Else. Else I am writing. For the else I am writing for this if. Second decision else I am writing. Okay. So I am writing here else. I am writing here else. Is it necessary to write if condition there? Quickly. Is it necessary to write if else if there? No. Why no? Out of 3, 2 are already over. Left out is nothing but that only. I will write it directly. Say print of is what? Yes, negative, ma. Negative. So negative. Come on. Dot format of n. Dot format of n. Dot format of n. Understand, students? Very good. So now see how beautiful it is. If else. I will give you so much of clarity for you. Let us execute. Ma. One program you understand very perfectly. Na? Other things are dead easy. Py, positive, negative, 0. Enter a number. I say 100. Start. Take the flow, please. 100 is equal to 0. Say false. Going to where? Else. Else. Okay. In else. 100 greater than 0. True. True means what? Corresponding block of statements. That is called what? 100 is positive. Will it comes to else? No. That means it will be stopping or not? Yes. Execute this program. See that 100 is positive. Now you enter 0. 0 you enter. What is the value of n ma? 0. 0 double equal to 0. True. True means what? This else part will not execute at all. This else part will not execute at all. 0 is 0. Next I will say minus 456. Minus 456 is equal to 0. False. Coming to which part? Yes, in else part again if is there. Minus 456 greater than 0. False means it is coming to where? It is called what? Negative. So negative. So you are going to get what? Minus 456 is negative. Did you understand? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy. This is very, very easy. Shall we move forward? Yes. Write down one more example. Students in the online. Is it completely understandable, students? All the students in the online need to confirm it clearly, because when I'm increasing the stuff of the questions, you need to catch me, guys. Very good. Now, look at students. One small awareness I want to bring to your notice. Look at, I'm using the word called what? Nested if. Nested if else statement I want to present in front of you. Nested if else statement I just want to present. Just for a minute, ma. Just for a minute. Nested if else statement I want to present. Yeah. Now, look at that. I will take the program, ma. Sudarshan, I will take the program. Just let me go for it. Right. If else statement, nested if else statement. How many decisions I have? For example, I have 5 operations are there. 5 operations are there. To do with what? 5 decisions. How many decisions I have? 5 decisions I have. Each decision will be doing operation X, operation Y. Some XYZ operations are there. With how many decisions? 5. How do you carry out? Logic number 1. All of you understand? Because the total world is running behind of the logics. The more logics you put by yourself, you are the number 1 intelligent programmer. So the only one investment you can put it in the interview is only your intelligence. That's it. Because of your intelligence only, your salary will be coming. That's it. Without intelligence, no salary will be coming, nothing. Yesterday, one student came to my class, Python new batch started na 11 o'clock. He started asking directly, sir, if I learn Python, how much salary I will get it? If I learn Python, how much salary I will get it? What do you answer? No, just I am asking. Amma? Depends on you means? Good. Same answer I said. One more word I used it. So what do you say? Depends on your talent, I said. That only, na? If you read for 8 hours of my notes, practicing, definitely whatever you expect, you will get it. Without 2 crores are okay. Ankit is there. My favorite student is there. 2 crores. Okay. Ankit really very good, ma. Fine. So depends on your talent. If Ankit's salary is 2 crores, definitely his talent is so powerful. So whether he will give sweets or not, I don't know. So next CEO is Ankit only. Okay. Right. Its class is going out of order. Come to the class. Ankit, I forget. Yeah, I thought in 4 o'clock also one student is there. Ganesh Verma. They are my favorite students. So day by day they are becoming favorites. Good. Coming to the logic number 1. How many operations? 5 operations are there. Now come on to the point. How do you write with a simple if? Here I am writing with a simple if. With a simple if statement I am using. How do you write it, ma? Quickly tell me. If, come on students. Test condition 1. What are you doing? Do. Which operation? X operation. Okay now? Yeah. Come on to the next one now. What I will write it? If, come on, ma. Test condition 2. What you will do? Do what operation? Y operation. Next, copy paste. I do what next? I do next what? Operation number 3. Operation number 3. Do what operation? Z operation. Next, I am going to write it what? Condition number 4. Condition number 4. Do some K operation. Condition number 5. Do what operation? Some L operation. I will do it. Some L operation. I will do it. This is what is called our plotting of if statements. You give me any problem, I can do in all the ways. Suppose if you feel more comfortable with if statement, you would go for it. Understand? Now I am going for what? Same thing, logic number. I am going to take it to logic 2. Logic 2. With what? With which one? If else statement I am going for. With if else statement we are going for. Okay. With if else statement we are going for. Okay, students, please help me how to do it, ma. Please help me how to do this. Okay, start with what is the first one? If test condition 1. Okay, very good. What are you doing, please? Do X operation. Okay, beautiful. Do X operation. Okay, next what are you doing? I say, else I am saying, else. Okay, under else what will be there, ma? Again if will come. See how beautiful it is. Do what operation here? Do operation here. Which operation I need to do? Y operation I need to do it. Which condition it is? Second condition. Understand? Okay, now I will do what here? How many conditions over? 2 conditions. For the if, what I will write it? Else. Under that if else, what I will write it? If I will do it. If I will do it. Condition number what? 3. Condition number 3. Condition number 3. Do what operation? Z operation. Z operation. Okay, student. Tell me next what should I do? For this if will, what I will write it one? Else. For this one I am writing else. Okay, student. Tell me here I am writing what, you know? Here I am writing. Tell me. I am writing if statement. Condition number what? 4. Say the beautiful. And after that, what I will write it here? Else. See, students, I will say here, I will write it. Else I am writing. Else I am writing. See, carefully follow. Else. Which operation I will do, ma? Do, of course, X, Y, Z. Which operation it is? K operation. I say here, do what operation? No need to go for if again. Already 4 are over, na? Last remaining is what? 5th. Do what operation? L operation. Do L operation. Did you follow? Easy or difficult? Huh? Easy, sir. Sir, please go to once. I am going to give you the clarity on this area. See, students, once I will take it. I will take it. A simple flow I will show you. First, if, else, else. From this place I will go to if, L if. I will go to else. From there I will go to where again? If. From there if I will go to where? Else. From there I will go to where? If. And from there I will go to where? Else. This is known as what? If else ladder. Ladder. If else ladder. This is also called what? Nested if. Nested if. Nested if else, or what is this? If else ladder. This is the concept behind this concept. It is looking like a ladder only. Clear? Any confusion in taking that? Suppose if I have 100 decisions, I never feel any difficulty to answer that kind of things. Shall we write one program on this? Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Okay. So Ankit parents are scolding him. My parents are scolding me to get the job as fast as possible. So how to get, sir? Give me suggestions, sir. With a minimum 25 lakhs package. So, okay, fine. Right. Shabash. Okay. Good. Sudarshan. Thank you, ma. Yeah. Fine. It's very good. Nice. Dream is very good. Dream is very good. But the dream fulfillment of commitment is important. Suppose you want to get 36 lakhs, 25 lakhs. Why 25 lakhs? 36 lakhs you need. I need that. For example, what I need for the 24 working hours is required. Commitment is important. So nowadays you don't feel it. You don't feel it. Nowadays the students who are coming from this 2019, 18, 17 students, these 3-4 years generation students, the moment when they complete BTech, they are under the dream that they will get 15 lakhs per annum by default. They are expecting like that. How can we get it? Do you have any company on your own? Or any of our uncle or somebody else started the company? Nothing. No? So we have to work hard. If you are so intelligent, definitely will reach to your target. Without working hard, we never get it. That is a universal fact. Whether I am or you are or whoever it is, only one thing, you be committed towards my explanation and practice it, and you will get the same thing in interviews as far as our notes is concerned. Same questions will come in the interview point of view. Same questions in the sense, whatever we discuss in the class, that only will be getting. Because that much clearly, crystal clear explanation I would like to give. Any question comes, it is from my notes, I already said. Still I am on the same part only. Because I am seeing so many students who are getting the jobs. Okay. So Ankit, all the best for your dreaming of that 25 lakhs. 25 lakhs definitely will get it, but just to follow me, right? Yes. So, right, ma, Pooja, very good. Keep it up. So, Ankit will get, everybody will get 25 lakhs minimum, provided you need to have that much commitment towards the subject. Definitely you will reach to the stage. There is no doubt in that. Fine. Start. Write a Python program which will accept any digit, see the word, any digit, which will accept any digit and print its name, Okay. So let us go to the next concept is something like this. Okay. So coming to the point of this point. Now coming to this area. So this program I need to do it. How many ways are there to do this program? Digits. How many digits are there? Huh? How many digits, ma? 9. 0 to 9. 10 digits are there totally or not? 0 to 9. So can I do that? So how many ways are there to do it? 2 ways are there. One is with simple if, one more is with, yes, both of them are there. So let us go to the, this program accepts a digit and print its name. Yeah, come on to the point. D is equal to int of input of enter a digit. Okay, enter a digit. Okay. Now D is containing the digit called what? What is the digits we have? Maybe chance is there like this, a 7 and 8, 9. These are the digits, na? How many decisions I have to take, ma? 10 decisions I have to take it. Just patiently try to follow me. I will write it. D is equal to 0. I say here, listen, ma, all of you. E is 0. E is what? 0. E is 0. C, ma, E is 0. Again, I will do what, ma? I will copy paste I say there only. Is equal to what to here? 1. Is what? Is 1. Is 1. Next I will do what? Is equal to 2. Is what? Is what? 2. Is 2. Next is called what? 3. See how I am doing it? 3. Try to understand this 3. Next is called what? Is equal to 4. 4. I will do 4. It is not necessary to write in the order, guys. I will write here 6. I will write 6. Is 6. Is 6. Next I will write here what? 5. I will say 5. I say 5. So see here, students, 5. I say here 6. I say here 6. Okay, 7. Is 7. Is 7. Okay, 7 this is. Next I will write it here what? Come on. 8. What is this now? 8. I will write it. 8. Next I will write it what? I say 9. I say 9. This is called 9. 9. Okay, next what I will write? Else. Come on, what is this now? Is a number. Is a. Okay. I forget. Dot format of what? N. This I forget completely. In all the places I forget. Ma D. Okay. Okay, ma. D. I say D. Yeah, I say D. Good. So, coming to the point back, it's a D. I say in every paste, I will paste this part. Yes, I say this D. I say this D. D. So, see this point here, D. Here I am writing D. Okay. Save this now. Save this now. What is my file name here? Digit example1.py. Digit example1.py. Sorry. Digit example1.py. Okay, students. Come on to the point back. Digit example1.py. Enter a digit 7. What is that? 7 is a digit. Okay. Last one is also coming. After that is satisfied, it is taken as what? Here I will write it. Here I will write it. One beautiful statement I will write it. What I am writing here, if what is happening? What is happening? This is not satisfying. No? This is all of them are not satisfying. It is definitely go for it is not satisfying. It is going to that. What I am doing, you see, if for D in, D not in, D not in. Come on, ma. What is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Not understanding. You will not understand. What is it? Indentation. Indentation. Say something like 2. Say something like 5. Say something like 6. Say something like 9. Say something like what? 99. Number. All the things in, not in, all these explained or not? Very, very simple, my dear students. What is that? D. 99. Not in. Yes. 99 not there. Not there means what? It is a number. It is a number. Understand? Very simple, students. So like this, you need to go for it. You need to go for this. Not in. This is a called something like this. I hope that you are understanding. Understand? This is called which one? Simple if statement. I wrote it. The same program you can write with what? If, else, if, else, if, else, like that also you can write it. Will you do that or I have to do it? If you say that, sir, we will do means you do it. No, sir, you do it means I will do it. So, sir will do or student will do? Student will do. So, let me see the online students also. Okay. Student will do. Okay. Student will do. Very nice. Very nice. Fine. Student will do. Sorry, will do. Ankit, Seema, and you send one message to me. I did not show to the students. I did not show to you. I did not show to offline students. So, okay, very good. But you are a student now, still. So, Ankit sent one important message to me. So, I did not show you. Shall I show Ankit to our offline students? Offline students, shall I show? Okay. Shall I show you? Huh? Okay, two Ankits are there. Ankit dot. Okay, don't. Okay. Okay. Pradeep. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, Pradeep. Yeah. Okay. Ankit, I'm not showing it. Okay, don't worry. But please fulfill what you are dreaming. You fulfill. Definitely will fulfill. Take care. Yeah. So, come to the point of it. So I think you will do. So most of them, 99%, everybody said that they will do, but only one student is set, right? Okay. So Akshay is asking one question. Akshay is asking one question. See that question what Akshay is asking. Sir, I have one question. What is that question? Write a program which takes input of mobile number, verify it's a 10 digit or not. Verify it's a 10 digit or not. Very simple. Akshay Misra. Very good question, ma. But this is the best way of writing the coding is in regular expressions. Regular expressions. In my class, you see where I used to taught. Akshay, please look at ma. Akshay, see where I used to teach to you. In 7 a.m., there is a topic called what? Regular expression. In my class, everything is there, ma. Regular expression. Say there is a mobile number validation. Mobile number validation. Just to go to that place. Just to go to that place. Just to go to that place. Now, PY, mobile number. Mobile number. What is that program name? Mobile number valid. Mobile number valid. Mobile number valid. V capital. Valid dot py. Enter your mobile number. Mobile number. I will say 9999. How many nines? 9. One more. 8. How many? 11. Is it a valid number? No. Your mobile numbers must contain how many digits? 10 digits length only. Why are you entering 11 digits? Not possible. Okay. Sir, mobile number. How many digits? Come on. 10. But I am entering one A. What is A? Alphabet is also there. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Your mobile says, please check the number once again. See that. What is that? Your mobile number must contain only. Should not contain. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I will write 99999 KVR, something like 77. Length is 10 only. But what is containing? Alphabets are there. Some special symbols are there, etc. Allowed or not allowed? I will enter the number properly. 9999 99999. It is called what? Valid number. Right? When I come to the regular expressions, I will explain. In my class, everything is there. Whatever you want, already it is there. Because I came from the industry, what you need when you sit in the software engineer chair, how comfortably you can do like drinking like apple juice. I know. Please follow my examples. That is what I am saying to you. Right? Akshay, can you wait up to our regular expressions? Akshay, okay. So, right, mom, right. No problem, Akshay, no problem. But I want to tell you this example through that kind of concept. Okay, na? Generally, even if you go for Geo, Airtel, anywhere else, mobile number valid or invalid kind of thing will be happening only with regular expressions. Other kind of code is not possible. In this case, I can do it. I will accept the number. Length I will find. Length. What is the length of that? Is equal to 10. I say valid mobile number. Otherwise, I will say what? Invalid mobile number I can say. Okay, na? So I will take care, Akshay. Don't worry. Okay. So you will take care of that. You will do that program now. If you can do it. Right. One more example. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate the net salary of an employee, which will calculate the net salary of an employee, which will calculate the net salary of an employee, which will calculate the net salary of an employee based on the following problem statement. 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 Okay, I'm giving the problem statement now. We need to calculate what? Net salary. Okay, write down. Accept, next line. Accept employee number, continuation only. Accept employee number, employee name, and basic salary. And a basic salary. I'm not taking designation, all those things. If you want, you can take designation, company name, where you are working, all those things. Right? Full stop. Continuation. Or next line. Problem statement means write down next line. If the basic salary is 10,000, if the basic salary is more than 10,000, if the basic salary more than 10,000, if the basic salary more than 10,000, give, if the basic salary, if a basic salary more than 10,000, then give. Now see what I am writing. DA is equal to 20% of basic sal. TA is equal to some 15% of what? Basic sal. Write down. HRA is equal to 12% of basic sal. CCA is equal to 2% of basic sal. 2% of basic sal. These are called what? Additions. Additions. These are all adding benefits to you. There is a, for your retirement benefits you are taking, GPF is equal to GPF. So GPF is equal to, you are making it to cutting. You are going for 2% cutting in your salary. This is called a basic sal. This is comes under a deduction, student. Deduction. For your retirement benefit you are saving. LIC is equal to 1% of your basic salary. 1% of basic salary. Yeah. Basic sal. This is also called what? Deductions. Deduction, this is called. This is in the case of what? More than 10,000 students. Okay. Next I will write it. Now, basic salary less than 10,000. Then give. If the salary is less than 10,000, you give something like 25%. You go for 20%. You go for something like 16%. CCA is 3%. And GPF is 1%. Okay, 2% and 1%. And I can add one more thing for you. Medical allowance also I will add it. If possible, there is one space, small space, small. You add for the above one. Medical allowance also you rated. MA is called a 2%. 2% of basic salary. Because this was one of the written test question student. Take care of this. And the basics medical allowance also will be added here. Add that MA. Add that MA. Yes. So these are called up to MA. They are called benefits, ma. And the GPF and LIC are called what? Deductions. Okay, student. Net salary is equal to. Net salary is equal to. Come on, student. Basic salary. Basic sal plus DA plus TA plus HRA plus CCA plus MA. These are all called what? Additions to the basic salary. From there is a deductions concept, ma. GPF plus what? LIC. These are not cutting, Sankit. After getting job, this is last two only. This is for your retirement benefit. If you become 60 years, you are sitting in the home, you need your money. Some money will come back to you. So these are all called your benefits. They will add and give to you in your salary. Okay. So net salary is equal to all these things. Understand? Shall we read the code now? So what is your inputs, ma? What is your inputs, please? What is your input, please? What is your input, please? Keyboard. Input is keyboard. What is your input? Basic salary. See, they are asking. They are answering basic salary. Employee number. See the notes. Read the notes. All of you open it. All of you open it. What is there? Accept what? Employee number. Employee name. Basic salary. What is the input means? You are keeping question mark. Why keeping question mark, guys? Please understand. Shall we go to the coding now? Yes, let's start here. See, students. I'll go for the coding now. Let us say this Python. Here you see. Now I'm going to say this program. Okay, already you are having EMP payslip. EMP payslip dot what? Py. EMP payslip dot py. Start. ENO is equal to int of input of enter. Come on fast. Employee number. Enter employee number. E name is equal to input of what? Enter employee what? Employee name. Enter employee name. Come on, next sal. Input float of what? Basic sal, that too. Basic sal is equal to float of what? Input of what? Enter employee basic salary. And enter employee basic salary. Okay, student. Excellent. Okay. Now after that, I need to go for the decision making. This is called your inputs. You got it. Now go for the calculation of the benefits. Come on, decision please. E-form. What is this? Basic sal greater than or equal to what? 10,000 indentation. Come on, TA is equal to, I need to go for this statement. I need to go for this entire statement. All these kind of things I need to take it. Shall I? Come on, happily, I will bring that. Instead of typing by me, I will write it ma, but try to maintain some small indentation. Take care of the indentation. I hope that you do that. You do this. Okay? You do this. Now, let me first keep it, and you should not write as it is like that. I'm going to do some operations on it. 20% means what? 20 by 100 into what, ma? Basic cell. Understand? 15% means what? 15 by percent means always by 100 into what? Basic sal. 12% means what I do? By 100 into, I do like this. Next I do what? 2 by 100 into, I say basic sal. It is also called 2 by 100 into basic sal. Next, CCA 2 to 1%, okay. 2 by 100 of what? Into, what is this? Basic sal. What is this now? 1 by what? 100 into, what is this? Basic sal. This is comes under deduction for your what do you call, for your what do you call, you see this deduction. This is also going to be called as deduction. Commenting, I'm just commenting, ma. So need not to say, it's just a commenting. Okay, student. Now tell me, other than that, I want to go for what? Else. I'm going for else. What should I do in else? I will go for taking the same thing with a 5%. I think more it is. It is called 25%. It is called 20%. I hope it is called what? How much, ma? 17, 16%. 16%. I think CCA is also what? 3%. 3%. And MA is also 2%. GPF, everything is same. Okay. So what is happening? Either this part is executing or this part is executing. Okay, any one of the part will execute. Later, what will be calculating? Coming to statement X or not? What is the statement X? Net salary calculation or not? Net salary calculation. Okay, enter the statement X. Ankit, GPF full form, why you want, ma'am? General Provident Fund or gratuity, something will be there. So need not to worry about it. First, full forms don't learn it. Come on. I will go for what? Net salary is equal to, net sal is equal to, tell me, basic sal plus DA plus TA plus what? HRA plus CCA plus MA. These are all called what? Additions, ma. These are all called added to your basic salary minus of GPF plus what? LIC. Right or not? So these are called what? Deductions. Added deductions and subdeducted from your total net salary place. Right. Fine. Here I said, Abhay, I'm calculating. First, let me calculate. This is statement X. Either this part will execute or this part will execute. Now I will go for display the pay slip. Display the pay slip. Abhay, I'm going to do that. Print off \T. I'm saying that employee, what is this? Pay slip for the month of February, for the month of Feb 2022. Print of, I say here, of some 60, before that also 60. Now I will start the printing. What is this, student? Print of \T employee number dot format of EMPNO or ENO? ENO. Ma? Yeah, yes, ma. Correct. So employee number, employee name. So what is this now? E-name. Okay. Next, employee basic salary. Okay. Employee basic salary. What is this now? Basic sal. Okay. Very good. Next, employee DA. I will say DA. Ankit, you can attend, ma'am. Anytime you can attend offline class. Ankit, please, when I'm full busy, you are asking, sir, you are not replying me, sir. From tomorrow, I will attend offline class. Sir, come, most welcome. I'm explaining program, you are asking, and you are feeling by yourself, sir, you are not replying. If we want, we will talk about outside for 20 minutes on Sunday. But don't disturb me, right? It is my advice. Ankit, my favorite student. So employee, next is what? TA. TA. So coming to the, sir, Shiva, I am adding this backslash T just to format, ma'am. Just to format. Just to, you wait for a few minutes. I will show you. Next is called what? TA. Like that, I will go for what, ma? Next after that, HRA. HRA. You wait, ma. You will get it. You will understand why I gave that backslash A. Okay. Next is called what, ma? CCA. CCA. I will take it as CCA. Next, CCA. Next is what? Ma? MA. Medical allowances. MA. MA. Next, please. GPF. GPF. Okay. So I will take it as GPF here. Fine. Okay, students. Next, I will take it as LIC. LIC. This is called a deductions part, ma. Deductions part. LIC. Now I will say here, I am saying that after that, I will print what you know. Net salary I will print. Bottom place I will print. What is this now? Backslash T. Net salary of an employee. Employee net salary. Employee net salary. Dot format of what is this? Net sal, which is calculated or not? Here I calculated. These details will come. Let us save students. Let us save the students. Yeah. Coming to that part of it. Go to this place. PY. See that. Asking where it was. Okay. Come out of that. Go to this place. It was going to that place. Enter. What happens? You unintended does not match the indentation level. Okay. It is not matching with the indentation, it seems. Fine. Okay. Ma? For what? This one, huh? Not necessary. Not necessary. Not necessary, ma. 1 minute. Because I copied pasted from notepad, na? That's why a small difficulty. See, I'm getting line number 10. Line number 10. Yeah. So I copied pasted, na? That's why the difficulty. What is it? Line number 15. Okay. So better not to copy. No, that is, I'm getting a lesson now. We should not copy. This is an extra work for me. Okay, don't cry, ma. Yeah, come on to the point. Enter the employee number. Employee number. So it's called what? 12. Enter employee name. Ankit dot. Ankit dot. Ankit dot. Two Ankits are there. Ankit dot I am seeing. Ankit dot. Basic salary. Ankit, what is your basic salary? 2 crores. I will not give you. I will not give. Come on. Okay. 2000. So 2000 I am giving. Because you are a beginner now. So see that. Somebody asked me, sir, why /T? Why /T? So those who asked /T, these are tab spaces I'm just maintaining. Just to maintain the tab spaces, I am using this type of symbol. Okay. So those who asked, sir, why you are using /T? And I hope you are getting me. Employee number 12, Ankit, salary, and employee percentage, right? Okay. It is your pension money. Okay. Pension also not sufficient. Pension means you will get 60 years. That time you need this for your tablets. Okay. Anyhow, don't think it is your pension. You need your pension when you come to 60 years. You need 1 lakh rupees for your pension. Yeah. Come to that. It is going to be 5,000. All these things. What is his salary totally? Is getting this much. Now, so let us go to that. So 12, employee number is called 12. Say something like this. Right. Coming to this. Okay. Okay. Now basic salary is called what? 15,000. 15,000. Now you will get it. So the number is this, and 15,000 means more than 10,000. So more than 10,000 means it is going to be given according to your conditions what you have written. This is your total salary. Are you getting this? Right. This is a way how you can calculate this kind of thing. So those who asked me the simple thing /T, I hope you understand this important point. Right. So coming to the point of it, I hope you people are understanding this discussion. Easy or difficult, students? Easy. So now this is the easy way to write the logics like this. Okay, na? Right. So this is about which kind of concept explain? If else statement explain. If else statement explain. Okay. Right. Now one more example you write it. I am giving some small assignment for you. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept an alphabet, which will accept an alphabet from keyboard and decide whether it is an alphabet, whether it is a vowel or consonant, Very, very easy this is. What are the vowels? Other than that, what I will take, accept the alphabet. That alphabet, where are you seeing, ma? You see here one small moment, you see D in, not in. Have you heard about it? A-E-I-O-U. I will take it in list. I will take the char CH value in A-E-I-O-U. I will say it is a vowel. Else consonant. I can do like that. Are you understanding? Right. So overall consonant. We need to do it. So I gave the hint also for you. You can do it. So shall we stop the class? Right. Because I have a new batch today. So yesterday we started. So we reached to the 500 marks. 500 mark in the day one only, both offline and online. We reached to 500 mark. Thank you. So, right. Oh, who is this, ma? Ankit. When I am telling correct answer, sir, I am not getting appreciation from you, sir. Ankit, you are my favorite student. I said to you. See, online, how many are there? 232 students are there. Out of 232, I choosing you as a favorite student. That is the biggest compliment for you. You have to understand. Okay? So, Adam, I don't know, Ankit, age, I don't know. Okay, right, students. Okay, right, ma. Fine. Students, will stop it. Tomorrow I will go for if elif statement I will explain, match statement also I will explain. Both together I will explain in single day so that you can have the clarity on the subject part. Okay, don't miss it. Important class tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Any friends are there, please intimate them. Our new batch of Python. Thank you. Good day. All the best.